The P07 error code in a Canon printer indicates a problem with the waste ink absorber. This issue can be caused by a clogged printhead or a wrongly placed cartridge. To resolve the error, start by checking the printhead alignment. Turn off the printer, unplug it, remove the ink cartridges, and locate the adjustment screws on the printhead. Adjust the screws until the printhead is properly aligned, being careful not to over-tighten them. Once aligned, plug the printer back in, turn it on, and proceed to clean the printhead. To do this, power off the printer, remove it from the power source, and open the printer cover to access the cartridges. Remove the ink cartridges, locate the printhead, and moisten cotton swabs with distilled water to gently clean the printhead and remove any debris, clogs, or dried ink. Avoid touching the nozzles or contacts, and allow the printhead to dry completely before putting it back in the printer and returning the ink cartridges. Close the printer cover, plug it in, turn it on, and run a printhead cleaning cycle through the printer software. If necessary, replace the ink cartridge by pulling back the paper output tray and extension. Opening the printer cover, securely removing the old cartridge, and inserting the new one. To reset the printer, unplug it from the power source. Wait for a while, and then plug it back in and turn it on.